Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now we will start series circuit. The circuit in which the electric components are connected one after another in a single loop is called a series circuit. Now we will draw a series circuit. This is a series circuit. This series circuit has one cell and two bars P1 and P2. There is a single part in this circuit. The same current will flow in the whole circuit. This circuit is used for the wedding ceremony and in different programs. Equivalent resistance of series circuit. If a single resistance is used instead of combination of resistances, and if the current and potential difference is not changed in the circuit, then that resistance is called the equivalent resistance of the combination. Now we will draw a series circuit. In this series circuit, the same current will flow through the whole circuit. Now we will calculate the equivalent resistance from this series circuit from Ohm's law. We get the potential difference of resistance R1, V1 equal to I R1. The potential difference of resistance R2, V equal to I R2. The potential difference of R3, V equal to I R3. Now এখন যদি আমরা এই তিনটা রেজিস্ট্যান্স R1 R2 R3 এই তিনটা রেজিস্ট্যান্সের পরিবর্তে যদি আমরা একটা রেজিস্ট্যান্স নেই, তখন আমরা লিখতে পারি B equal to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. That I combine R1 plus R2 plus R3. और V equal to I RS. RS is called the equivalent resistance. From comparing above two equation, you can write I think I R2 plus R3 or R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Instead of three resistance R1, R2, R3, then n number of resistance we take, then we get RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus Rn. Okay, sir. The value of equivalent resistances in series combination is greater than that of individual resistances. Now parallel circuit. The circuit in which the electric components are arranged in such a way that one terminal of all the components are joined at a common point and the other terminal are joined at another common point. Then the circuit is called a parallel circuit. We draw a parallel circuit. Iron plus I can come to I. Here, in this parallel circuit, potential difference are both circuit are the same, but current is different. The parallel circuit is used in houses and offices for different purposes. Now we will calculate the equivalent resistance of parallel circuit. from the above figure we can write I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now from Ohm's law, I equal to V by R1, I equal to V by R2, I3 equal to V by R3. Putting the value of I1, I2 and I3 into equation 1, we get I equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3, or I equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Equation number 2. এখন যে আমরা এই তিনটা রেজিস্ট্যান্স R1 R2 R3 এই তিনটা রেজিস্ট্যান্সের পরিবর্তে যে আমরা একটা রেজিস্ট্যান্স RP নিই, তখন আমরা লিখতে পারি I equal to V by RP. Equation number 3. Comparing equation 2 and 3, we can write V by RP equal to V into 1 by R1 plus V by R2 plus 1 by R3, or 1 by RP equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. If instead of 3 resistances, n number of resistors are connected in parallel, then we can write 1 by RP equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus plus 1 by Rn. Resistances connected in parallel combination, the sum of the inverse of the individual resistances is equal to the inverse of the equivalent resistance.